Assalamu alaikum class, how are you all? I hope you are fine. Today. What's the date today? Mars, will you tell me which number is this? 14th, very good. And the month is January. The year is 2026. Well done. So today is 14th of January 2026. जी उमर, क्या तारीख है आज? 14 जनवरी 2026. 14 जनवरी 2026. जी इशाल, व्हाट्स द डे टुडे? आज दिन क्या है? वेंसडे. शाबाश. In Urdu we say Buddh, and in Arabic Yomul Arba. Yomul Arba. Okay class, now discuss about the weather. Yes class, look outside and tell me how's the weather. Is it cold, windy, sunny, rainy? How's the weather outside? Is it cold outside? Yes, it's cold outside and today weather is foggy. Okay class, let's start today's lesson, but before that, you know that we have a little recap from the previous lesson. So let's start. Let's start today's lesson with the recap. In the previous lesson, we learned about the words opposite. Yes, who will tell me what is the meaning of the word opposite? Yes, Mas, what is the meaning of the word opposite? उलट. ठीक है, किसी भी लफ्ज़ का अगर हम उलट बताएंगे तो उसको हम कहते हैं ऑपोजिट. ठीक है, किसी भी चीज़ का बिल्कुल मुखालिफ अगर हम चले जाएं, जैसे आई हैव गिवन यू एग्जांपल्स. आप इज समथिंग ऊपर. ठीक है, एंड व्हेन वी विल टॉक अबाउट द बिल्कुल ही उलट और बिल्कुल ही उसका ऑपोजिट, तो इट विल बी डाउन. ठीक है, सो I will ask you some words, and what will you do? You will tell me the opposite of those words. In this way, we will complete our recap. Okay. So I will write the word, and you will tell me the opposite. So I'm writing the first word. Yes, Zarva. Which word is this? Open. And what is the meaning of the word open? Khula. Shabash. Tell me the opposite of this word. Close. Well done. So, close will be the opposite of the word open. Okay, class. Now I will ask Muhammad, what is the opposite of the word long? Opposite of the word long. First of all, tell me the meaning of the word long. Lamba. Shabash. And the opposite of the word long will be short. Well done. Yes, Ishal, tell me the meaning of the word early. Early. Yes, early. Pehle. Well done. And what will be the opposite? Yes, late. Late. देर से. Well done. Now, Huran will tell me the fourth word. The meaning of the fourth word. The word is cold. Cold. Cold का क्या मतलब होता है? ठंडा. शाबाश. And what will be the opposite? Hot. The opposite will be hot. Okay. Now come to the fifth word, and fifth word that is coming to my mind is right. Right. Yes, Chavez. tell me the opposite of the word right. Wrong. Well done. Wrong is correct. And what was the other opposite of the word right? Left. Well done. Left. Clap everyone for Chavez. Okay class, now I'm writing the sixth word. And sixth word is thick. Thick. Yes. Who will tell me the meaning of the word thick? Yes, Kamran? Thick. Mota, well done. And what will be the opposite? Thin, well done. So, class, we have done the recap from the previous lesson. Like, I have given you some words and you have told me the opposite of those words. For example, open, and the opposite of the word is close. Long, its opposite is short. Early, will say late. The opposite will be late. Cold, the opposite is hot. Right, we can use two opposite words for the word right. The first is wrong and the other one is left. Okay, the last word is thick, and opposite of the word thick is thin. Let's start today's main activity, and today we will read about or will discuss about another topic from grammar, that is was and were. Okay class, I will ask you some questions and you will answer them, okay, one by one. Okay, Musa, my first question is, what do you know about singular and what do you know about plural? What is singular? What is the meaning of the word singular? Yes? Singular is something that is one. Okay. एक अगर कोई चीज़ है तो उसको हम कहते हैं singular. ठीक है? Well done. Okay, now tell me the meaning of the word plural. Plural means more than one, two. Okay? So, if something is singular, it means it is one. And if we are talking about plural, it means more than one. Okay, give me any word and tell me about its plural as well. Okay, chair. Well done. Chair is singular. And what will be the plural? Chairs. Well done. So, chair is singular, means one, and chairs are more than one, so we'll say it's plural. Okay, now we'll talk about the singular subject and the plural subjects. Okay, class, I have written something on the board that singular, and as we have discussed it before, that singular is one, wahid, and we have given an example of it like chair. Okay, now what is the opposite of singular is plural, and plural means jama, like more than one, and its example is chairs. When it was one, it was chair, and when it is a plural, so we'll say it chairs. Okay class, here is an example in front of me, and what will you tell me? You will tell me about, first of all, read the sentence. What is this sentence? He is a boy. He is a boy. Okay, tell me, what is he in this sentence? What is he? He is a subject because he is doing something, or we are talking about him. So, he is a subject. Okay? He is a boy. Boy is what? Boy is a noun because it's a name. It's a name of gender. So, He is the subject and boy is a noun. What is in this example? What is in this example? Is a helping verb. Is it helping the verb? Okay, he is the subject and boy here is the noun. They are going. They are going. Going is a verb, like they are doing some action. What are they doing? They are going somewhere. वो कहीं जा रहे हैं. क्या कर रहे हैं वो जा रहे हैं. So we are using going, that is an action word, and action word is called a verb. And what is they here? They is a subject. Acha, tell me, is it a singular subject or a plural subject? Okay class, I have make it clear for you to understand it more easily. Singular subjects I have written on the board, singular subjects, and the singular subjects are he, she, it, and I. I is a singular subject. You can see like I is the only one. So if one or if something is one, it is considered singular. Okay, so it will be a singular subject. If I am doing something, it will be a singular subject. Okay, so we will change it accordingly. He is going. He is going. If definitely if we are talking about today, it is. But if we are talking about the past or yesterday, we will change it with was. So he is going. Okay. It is raining. It is raining means बारिश हो रही है. बारिश हो रही है is the helping verb. If we will talk about the past, we will change it with what? Yes, ज़रवा, इसको हम किससे चेंज कर देंगे? Was से. वेरी गुड. क्यों was से चेंज करेंगे? बिकॉज इट्स अ सिंगुलर सब्जेक्ट. ये एक सिंगुलर सब्जेक्ट है, इसको हम रिप्लेस कर देंगे विथ was. ओके, द थर्ड एग्जाम्पल इज शी इज स्लीपिंग. शी इज स्लीपिंग. जी मुकद्दस, इट्स योर टर्न. हाउ विल आई चेंज इट टू द पास्ट सेंटेंस? मैं इसको पास्ट में कैसे चेंज कर सकती हूँ? इफ विल टॉक अबाउट yesterday, how can I change is to? Well done. I will replace is with was. She was sleeping. Okay class, I am writing. So I is also what? A singular subject, but it is using am with it. It's not using is with it. But when we will change it with I will change it to the past sentence, I'll use was. I will not use were with it. I was writing. Okay, now come to the plural subjects. Plural subjects I have written clearly for you. They, we, and you. You can be singular or you can be plural. It can be both singular or plural. If it will be more than two people, we're counting, so we'll say you will be plural, you will be a plural subject. And if we are counting only one person, so it will be a singular subject. Okay class, the third example is here. You are reading. You are reading, and you can see that we have used are with you. हमने you के साथ जो है वो. Okay class, the last example is with you. You, we as I have told you, can be used as singular or singular subject or a plural subject, but we always use are with you. So what do? We will change or we will write were if we are talking about the past. Okay, if I am talking about yesterday, I will use were as a helping verb in the place of are. Okay class, that is all from the main activity. Now I'll give you some examples, and what will you do? You will use was and were on your own, and you will write these examples in your notebooks. Okay class, now we will solve some examples, and what will you do? You will predict what will I write in the blanks according to the subject. Okay, I will ask you one by one, and you will tell me. You will see the subject and you will tell me about what do I use with that subject. Okay, he is a singular subject or a plural subject? Yes, Shamir, he is a singular subject or a plural subject? He is a singular subject. Well done. And what do we use with a singular subject? Was or were? We'll use was with the singular subject. Well done. Okay, Huram, look at the subject and tell me what will we use with the singular subject. Read the sentence first. She dash is eating an apple. She dash is eating an apple. Okay, she is a singular subject. And what do we use with it? We'll use was with it. Well done. Okay, the next example, Iqbal. It dash sunny outside. It dash sunny outside. Tell me, it is a singular subject or a plural subject? It is a singular subject. Well done. So what do we use with it? Was or were? Yes, we use was with it. Well done. Yes, Khizra. Read out the fourth sentence. The fourth sentence is, they dash going to the park. They dash going to the park. कहाँ जा रहे हैं वो? Park में जा रहे हैं. Well done. And now tell me, they is a singular subject or a plural subject? They is a plural subject. Well done. And what do we use with the plural subject? Were. We'll use were with the plural subject. Well done. Okay, Shaban, read out the fifth example. Fifth example is, I dash looking outside. I is pointing toward the singular subject, and you mean one. I dash looking outside. So what do I use with it? I was. Well done. I was looking outside. Well done. Okay, the sixth example is, who will read the sixth sentence? Shaviz, will you read it? We dash boys. We dash boys. Yes. We is a plural subject. Well done. We is a plural subject, and we will use, what do we use with it? Was or were? If the subject is plural, we'll use were with it. We were boys. Okay class, that is all from the main activity, and we used was and were. And now what will you do? You will write 5 more examples by using singular or plural subjects in your notebook. But make sure your writing must be neat and clean. Please note down your diary. Yes class, note down your homework. Write down 5 examples by using was and were for singular and plural subjects. आपने क्या करना है? Singular and plural subjects के लिए he, she, it, I, we, you, they. You will use all of these singular or plural subjects, and you will use was and were with them. And I have to write 5 examples on your own, on your notebooks. Please make sure your writing must be neat and clean. First of all, you will draw a margin line, and you will write classwork and date and day on the top of the page, and then you will complete your work. Okay class, that is all from today's lesson. We will meet inshallah tomorrow. Till then, Allah Hafiz.